Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. In this session, we are going to discuss about tuple operations, the differences and similarities between the tuple and a list. Let's enjoy. Traversal. So traversal of a tuple is also like list and string, that is accessing and processing every element of the tuple one by one. So accessing and processing each element of the tuple is known as traversal. So traversal is done by using for loop. So let's declare a tuple t is equal to CUTE. Now I want to print every element of this tuple one by one. So let's use for loop for any variable name in the tuple variable t, print I. So what it is printing? CUTE. So accessing and processing every element of the tuple is known as traversing. Concatenation operator is plus in tuple also. This plus is used to join two tuples. It is used to combine two tuples. So concatenation means joining two tuples. So T1 is a tuple which contains three elements, 1, 2, 3, and T2 is also a tuple which contains another three elements, 4, 5, 6. Now let's join these two tuples and let's display the output. So print within parenthesis I am giving T1 plus T2. So this will not add the elements, it will just join the two elements of the tuple and it will display another tuple. So look at the output 1, 2, 3 which are the elements of the first tuple, comma 4, 5, 6 are the elements of the second tuple. So plus operator is used to join two tuples. The replication operator is asterisk in tuple. This operator is used to repeat a tuple a specified number of times. So when you want to replicate a tuple, you have to give the tuple asterisk the number of times. An integer value should be given. So look at the example. T is equal to a tuple which contains 1, 2, 3. Now I want to repeat this tuple 3 times. So T asterisk 3, you can also give 3 asterisk T, both are correct. So print T asterisk 3 is giving 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the tuple is repeated thrice. So replication operator asterisk is used to repeat a tuple a specified number of times. In and not in are the membership operators in tuple. These are the membership operators in list as well as string also. The in operator returns true when an element is present in the tuple. Otherwise, it returns false. Not in operator returns true when the element is not present in the tuple. Otherwise, it returns false. Now, T is a tuple which consists of 8, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5. Let's check whether the element 1 is present in the tuple using in operator. So, print 1 in T will return true because the element 1 is present in the tuple T. Now let's see whether 1 is not present. 1 is not present in the tuple T using not in operator. So print 1 not in T will return false because the element 1 is present in the tuple. So in and not in are the membership operators to check whether a particular element is present in the tuple or not. What are the similarities between tuples, list and string? Yes, len function. This function is used to count the number of elements in a list or a tuple or a string. Then slicing is the same. Indexing, forward indexing, backward indexing, the same in tuple, list as well as string. Then accessing single element of a tuple, accessing multiple elements using range. These are all same in list, tuple as well as string. Then the membership operators in, not in are present are used in both list, tuple as well as string also. And then concatenation operator, replication operator. So these are the similarities among tuples, list and string. So what will be the differences between tuples and list? Exactly, mutability. List is mutable. Tuple is immutable. That means an element can be changed in its place in a list, but in a tuple, the value of an element cannot be changed in its place because tuple is immutable. String is also immutable, but list is mutable. That is the difference between tuples and list. The concepts of tuples are very simple like list and string, right? Hope you have enjoyed learning computer science. Thanks for watching my video. For further updates, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy learning computer science. Stay safe, be at home, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye-bye.